Hello guys, Aniket, and today I'm going to show you the Makola Linux 6.1 XFCE. It is a new version released one day ago. It is a universal version and it is a 1.8 GB. The ISO file is universal, so you can check this out. And let us check on what OS it is based on actually. So let's check it out. Where it is, Makola Linux. So it is based on Debian, and I'm gonna quickly review this OS. So I'm gonna live boot it. I'm not gonna install it. It will take a lot of time actually. So I'm gonna install the OS first of all. Let's remove this and let's create a new virtual machine. Windows 6.1, and it is based on Linux, Debian 64-bit, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give a base memory of 4 GB as usual. I'm gonna create a new virtual hard disk. I'm gonna allocate around 40 GB to it, so that will be fine. So I've created a new virtual machine here, and I'm gonna tweak this. I'm gonna increase the CPU cores as usual, and I'm gonna increase the video memory for sure. Let's give it 100 MB. It will be fine, and I'm gonna start this OS. And it's like the ISO file I just downloaded up, and here's the ISO file. It is a 1.8 GB. Just double click it and start the OS, and I'm gonna wait for the screen to appear as usual. So I'm gonna live boot the OS as you know. So okay, so let's wait for the installation screen to appear. Okay, so I just want to warn you guys that when you see this screen, login screen, you can type username as Makulu, and the password is Makulu also. So you can check it out, and I'm gonna review this now. So here what it looks like. It is good and it is beautiful. The OS is good for the dark lovers if you want. There are a lot of animations here, and I guess I can check out the release notes if I want. Release notes, no, not yet. So okay, I will install it later on. So there are case editions obviously. And yeah, I just want to say that the OS is smoother than the previous version. There are maybe a lot of changes. Let's check out the changes from here only. Is there Firefox? Okay, Firefox is there. Not there. Okay. Do I get any browsers here? Okay, let's check it out. Internet. I get Chrome in browser as default. Okay, that's fine. So let me just check out the release notes here. The applications are same obviously. Hulu 6.1. Okay, so I guess I might have a release note to check it out. Well, I just want to say that the theming is good, and the theming is very awesome in this OS, and the animations are damn smooth. Not that smooth, I'm sorry. Okay, yes, you have an option of changing the themes. Okay, dark themes, that's fine. I love dark themes. Okay. So I just enabled the dark themes. Okay, so it is asking for the password. Okay, it is a live boot, so there won't be any problem I guess. So there is not a problem. Theme switcher. Okay, theme on and off. Yes. Okay, dark themes. Makulu. Okay, so it is set to dark themes. It's taking a lot of time. You can check out the release notes by yourself only, that's not a problem. Within the browsing of the OS, I just noticed that there's some sort of lag in the windows, as you said. But it's not a problem, the guys will fix it. The rest everything is same, the applications are same. And okay, I guess there's not a lot of things to show. You have a setup, that's not a necessary thing. In the settings, okay, let me just review the applications first of all. In this applications, you get Adobe Flash pre-installed, you get Audio Mixer, you get your backup tool, you can make up a backup in your home directory if you want of your applications you have installed. And you get Chromium browser as a default web browser, you get Conky Manager for setting up widgets on your home screen, you get Combase Manager also, I don't know what's that. You get deconfiguration editor also, I'm sorry. You get Docky, you get some basic games. Okay, let's forget it. Okay, I'm gonna check out the file manager. Okay, you have an option of setting up the file manager here also, so you can check it out. Okay, and obviously the desktop freeze. Okay, I'm gonna wait for some time and check this out. The hell, man. As I said, the desktop is not responding at all. And okay, at last it came back alive. So that's a bug for sure. So the file manager is not working at all, sorry for that. Okay, you get Kingston Office also for viewing your text related to office work, that's not my call. You can watch your videos on a Minitube application here pre-installed. I guess the only thing in this OS missing is that the smoothness is not there. The smoothness of windows or animations is not there. Some apps are obviously giving some FCs, or they're not opening up at all, or they got to freeze the OS itself. So I guess there are some of the issues left. The rest, everything is very cool. I must recommend that you can try this OS, but not now. You just have to wait for the Makulu team to release an RC version for this, and you can check it out after all. So in my eyes it is good, it is beautiful, the OS is very good, and you have a lot of applications pre-installed, you can check them out. The rest, everything you know how to check everything and these things. Okay, let's go to system settings if they are available. System info. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we are using 3.414 kernel here, that's good, and we are using PAE. Okay, I don't remember the full form of PAE. Okay, forget it. So we are running near to latest kernel here, as I described in the next video, previous video, that the latest kernel is 3.15, which is available for some distributions out there. And so as it is based on Debian, yeah, it shows that it is in testing mode. So yes, you can check it out. I guess that's it. You can check out some more apps and things here. I don't have time for checking out each and everything, so I guess that's it. I'm gonna shut this down, or if you want me to review anything other than this, so I might try to make another video if you want. So I'm gonna shut this down. Overall the OS looks good. You guys can try it if you want, and it was lovable. So I'm gonna say bye, thanks, peace.